Fusioning?
What are you doing?
I'm
I don't
swatching
know.
the
I thought
colors.
you said you were doing fusioning background.
I can.
Well,
I don't care. What are you doing for background?
So we're gonna do polish
so I
now,
can get
and the
everything
next
ready.
one's gonna be fusioning.
So this is number 19, and according to Vicky, she said this is her favorite color, so I'm going to polish one.
guys.
Hi, Laurie. How are
This
you,
is matte
Laurie?
finish.
Yeah, it's so beautiful. And
The
next
matte finish
colors.
is so gorgeous. I didn't know what we're doing. I did all mine in 19. Ha.
Number 3. Put it right in front for me. It's number 3 is Fancy Blue. There you go. I just want to swatch in front of you. Vicky hated it, but I like it. Just a way to torture her.
That's okay. I just look away and do something else.
Yeah, you said, oh. But you know, is this just show you how easy it
Blue
is?
Weaver gel. It is super easy. I just think it's boring.
She doesn't want fancy, everyone. She's like, I want
I love
more.
fancy. So here, last night's nails. Let's see. Last night,
She
right
prepared the shark to eat the boyfriend.
This shark's so good. If your boyfriend doesn't give you a good gift for Valentine's Day, you just feed him to the sharks. It's a cute shark, though. He's got big teeth. And then these are the live from the weekend.
Yeah.
Fusioning, and then lots of sparkle. And get these back together.
You're so fancy.
I know.
So the Glitz gels is one of really is special that we've been working for a long time to bring in. One of the best to use. So easy to polish. It's not runny. The pigment is so pigmented, and the consistency is just like the bomb. You have to experience it yourself, because it's really hard for me to tell you, because I can say whatever I want, right? But you gotta experience it yourself. I say it's gorgeous. It can be easy to do, but then you can just hear. But then if you even get one bottle to try it first before you even like thinking to get whole bundle is such a great deal. Just get, I think, done already? Did I do 2 colors?
You did 2.
Ah, how could that happen?
You did 2 blue.
Vicky should look, because then you can stop me.
I don't have to watch. I don't have to watch you swatch.
This is one of my faves too. Number 19.
Someone has to book an appointment. But... Hold on. Okay, I'm going to pause for just a second. I'll be right back. So you're swatching. I'll be right back.
And then, can you grab me another one so I can do other colors? I'm going to do a second coat. This is only a first coat. And you don't have to use this so much, just thin.
I'm back again.
Fast. It's really fast.
You just want to float it, though. If you press it out too much, if you, like, spread your bristles too much, you're going to end up with streaking. You just want to float it. Make it easier than you think. So a lot of people think too much. They try too hard, try to make it perfect. But when you float it, it actually just self-levels and everything smooths out. You can see. You guys, I did these so fast. I didn't even clean up my edges. I'm like, it's a practice nail. I don't care. But it's so freaking gorgeous. And it matches. It's like not warm, not cool. It'll match every skin tone. But those are the colors that are super popular right now. The super white, pastel-y, not... I live in Michigan, so not powder blue, but like those nudes in that, all the nudes with a lot of white undertones, really popular by me. Down by Nancy, they're doing hot orange and hot pink.
Yes.
Not up by me.
So this is Fancy Blue number 3. Hold on, where I'm at. Right there.
I think I have that one. Is that the Tiffany? Like
yes.
Tiffany?
Yes.
Yeah, I have that one.
I have to have
I'll get the rest of them this weekend. I cannot wait.
Otherwise, you're gonna, if you order like to ship, take you 3
I can't
weeks.
ship it, you guys. Everything's 3 to 4 weeks in Michigan. I'm still waiting on one Christmas present for my little neighbor girl. I ordered it Cyber Monday. It's not here yet.
Is it,
People
Vicky,
that-
do you want me to ship it for you next Christmas?
I know. Are you looking for more brand ambassadors? Yes. We actually have a brand ambassador contest going on right now. If you look on the IG page,
This is number 19.
and then it's gorgeous.
Lights nude. I have to remember I'm right here. I
Light
keep showing
nude.
here.
I bought mine. I got the first batch, so mine doesn't even have a name on it, but I don't care. So you'll just get a number. But yeah, look on our IG page. There's a post, and you'll see it says 2,500. That's the total prizes awarded for the 5 ambassadors that we choose. And you can submit a set of long nails on human hands, and they have to be formed out of acrylic or hard gel. No press on nails. But look on there, and we're looking for 5. I'm gonna let my dog out while you're swatching.
Sure. So everybody is working with me right now. So then we're doing a 40 gels as we are. Thank you so much, Stephanie. Hi, Nene. Somehow I didn't shape this one, huh? Can you grab me? How everyone doing today? Happy Wednesday. Hi, Cece.
Hey, Cece.
How
Hey, now
are
by
you?
Lori. Let's see, who's that? Hi, Steffi. Hi, Kissy. Yes, Michigan shipping is terrible. I agree. So, in case you were here last night and my phone didn't charge, I got a long charging cord today, so it's not going to happen.
Ah, you get a rope.
I'm so excited. 10-footer. That
Uh-huh.
way, if somebody's hogging the charger at the airport, I can still plug in and sit across the aisle way. I'm like, excuse me, I'm just going to plug in here because you're hogging the charger.
So I'm gonna do a next one, the 4th, which is the number 11 is neon pink.
I don't have the neon pink. I have the cranberry.
Look at that.
But I love it. That's so gorgeous, isn't it? I matted all mine out because then I don't get dog hair in them. Because I pre-swatch. I think I'm just going to do like I'll swatch a bunch of sticks, so I'm just ready. Oh, we'll do pink today, we'll do blue, and then I'll be ready.
Sure. I just want all of you to see the pigment of it. Like even yours do some colors. Like a lot of you will ask questions for the yellows. You need to put the white base on it. You actually do not need it.
Wow. And look
Dom
at that, you're
swatch.
doing
Dom swatch the ones all the colors in the clear swatch stick, and it shows really pigmented.
Well, that's what's amazing is you're doing it on a white stick right now, which I know does make neon pop, but it also really shows the streakiness if it's a streaky color. So it's pretty amazing. It's like solid at one coat, you guys. It's so amazing.
So it still have a little bit tacky layers, so I'm gonna using the neon pigment. There are 12 colors. I just choose these 3 unless you want something else. Like I pick the green, like have an orange, and then I will do one of that. It will be in the Weaver gels in bright yellow. Maybe a neutrals and yellow. Like that's the 2 colors of the year.
When I popped on, I just heard you say pigment earlier. And I thought you were talking about the fusion ink pigment, and you were talking about the pigment powders.
Oh, I can do
That's
another one with pigment.
No, you're good. I don't care. I have pigment here, too. I have everything here, except for now I have matte finish.
That's so beautiful one. I love this one.
It's so organized, now I can't find it.
I told you. Sometimes you just get in
I
like
found it. Should be down to the glitter drawer, but the glitter drawer is so full. What are you doing with the pigment anyhow?
just dab it on and make the background like this.
Oh, just like random?
Yeah, you don't have
Okay,
to
I'll
do
wait
like,
till you're done. I'll put another coat on this one.
you have to get a tacky layer.
That's what I'm doing. I'm making one of my matte, not matte.
So a lot of you were asking like white glitz, it doesn't have a gel polish, will be in just all in 1 3 That's a great ideas. Yes, Glitz will have it eventually in the future, but then you can't really like do a lot of fun art with this. Like you can't do put much pigments on it because then your coats will be completely dry. So you
Yeah, because
can't.
you never a tacky layer.
Yep, no tacky layer at all. So then you can't do like additionals of some sort of pigments or any other thing that you are
Yeah.
going to do. You know.
It's the
So
same thing with our weaver gel. Our weaver gel has a tacky layer for the same reason. So as you can add pigment to it, so you can be more versatile.
so we can
But it
do
takes it's a simple swipe.
one of this is with the yellow. So I'm gonna do a top coat on this one.
Show swatch. One glitz before you move on.
Actually, I work from the cap.
Here is the 4 colors that we swatch for you.